Welcome to this tutorial is about smart shopping for saving money, presented by Ready. In this session, I'll explore what smart shopping for saving money means and why it's essential for living a secure life. The goal of this tutorial is to equip listeners with practical knowledge and actionable strategies to achieve financial independence. By the end of the tutorial, you would be able to understand the concept, identify the key principles, and apply proven techniques to make smart shopping. Let us get started. The first section is about financial freedom. Right now, you are probably wasting hundreds of dollars every single time you shop. And the craziest part, you don't even realize you're doing it. It's not your fault, you were never taught how to be a smart shopper. But in this video, I am going to show you 5 simple secrets that will transform the way you spend and help you keep that money in your pocket. One, the pre-game. Your secret weapon is a plan. Never shop without a mission. Impulse buys are the #1 budget killer. Oath battle for savings is won before you shop. Always create a list and stick to it. Or implement the 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. See something you want? Wait today. Often, the urge passes. Open your meals for the week. This directly informs your grocery list, preventing food waste and random purchases. Auctionable takeaway. Challenge viewers to do a planned-only shopping trip this week. No deviations from the list. Two, become a brand bender. Master generics, sales, and alternatives. Break your loyalty to specific brands and become a free agent for the best value. Offer staple items, flour, sugar, canned goods, medications. Store brand or generic is almost always identical in quality and far cheaper. Understand the unit price. The sticker on the shelf shows the cost per ounce or gram. This reveals the true cost, regardless of package size. Willing to substitute if a recipe calls for an expensive ingredient. What's a cheaper alternative? Auctionable takeaway. On your next trip, compare the unit price of your usual brand with the store brand for 3 items. 3. The tech edge. How to use apps and cashback to get paid to shop. Use technology to make savings automatic. Your phone is your most powerful shopping tool. House cashback apps, for example, Rakuten, Honey for online shopping. They give you a percentage of your spend back just for clicking through their link. House browser extensions to automatically find and apply coupon codes at checkout. Offer groceries. Use store apps for digital coupons. Scan your loyalty card at checkout for instant savings. Auctionable takeaway. Install one cashback browser extension before your next online purchase. 4. The timing trick. Know when to buy everything. There is a best time to buy nearly everything. Patience is profitability. Or shop seasonally for produce. It's cheaper and tastes better. Offer major purchases. Know the annual sale cycles, for example, appliances on holiday weekends, TVs before the Super Bowl, linens in January. Avoid buying anything at full price if you can help it. Most non-perishable goods go on a sale cycle every 6-8 weeks. Auctionable takeaway. For a non-essential item you want, decide to wait for it to go on sale. Use a price tracking tool or just keep an eye on it. 5. The mindset shift. From saving money to maximizing value. Reframe the goal. You're not just being cheap. You're being smart and strategic to afford more of what you truly love. The money you save on groceries, household items, and clothes isn't just saved. It's money you can reallocate to your true goals, a vacation, investing, debt freedom, or a nice dinner out. Or smart shopping reduces financial stress, giving you peace of mind. Oh, celebrate your wins. Seeing the savings add up is motivating and turns smart shopping from a chore into a rewarding game. Actionable takeaway: calculate the total you saved on one shopping trip using these strategies. Then consciously move that amount to your savings account or use it for something that brings you joy.